You were in your Audi, enjoying its refined interior. Then an electrical hiccup, a new battery, a repair, and your radio coldly displays "safe." This isn't just a status message, it's a digital guardian designed decades ago to protect your car. For Audi, a brand built on integrity, car stereo theft presented a unique challenge. Their integrated stereo was valuable. Thieves saw profit, Audi saw a threat to its customers and brand. This safe mode isn't a malfunction, it's a feature. When power is interrupted, the radio locks down to prevent theft. To unlock it, the system requires a 4-digit code, verifying rightful ownership. The challenge becomes engaging with this security protocol. The critical hurdle is often finding that code. Manuals are lost, details forgotten, but for your Chorus I, II, and other Audi models, a clear solution exists. The key is its 14-digit serial number, always starting with AUZ, found on the radio itself. You'll need to carefully remove the unit to access it. Once you have that serial, visit radiocodeford.com. Our platform is designed for precision and ease, allowing you to instantly receive the exact unlock code tailored to your unit. It's the trusted solution for restoring your Audi's sound with confidence. With your code in hand, unlocking begins by turning your radio on. If safe persists, press and hold RDS and scan until 1000 appears. If safe 2 shows, leave the radio on for an hour to reset. Once 1000 is displayed, use the preset buttons to enter your 4-digit code. Confirm by holding RDS and scan. The system will unlock and your audio will return. For Symphony models, RDS may be RBDS. What began as Audi's defense against theft, a digital safeguard, endures today. With radiocodeford.com, a momentary frustration becomes a simple, solvable challenge. Visit radiocodeford.com, your trusted partner for unlocking your Audi's audio experience.